Next question, question number 4. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 cm. So first of all, we should draw a circle with a radius 5 cm. Okay, which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. Give the justification of the construction. So which is inclined means if the two tangents are meeting. Suppose if these two are the tangents, correct? So if these two are meeting here, then it should be making here 60 degree. That is the meaning of the question. We should make two tangents and it is making here outside 60 degree. That is the question. So let us start with the circle. What is the radius? 5 centimeter radius. So we have to draw first 5 centimeter radius circle. So first step, draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. So I am marking one point here. Any where you can mark one point and mark it as O, center of the circle. Okay, next we have to take 5 centimeter radius, already taken. So making O as center, you can draw one circle which is having, so which is having 5 centimeter radius. So making this circle which is having 5 centimeter radius. So this circle have radius is equal to 5 centimeter I drawn here. Okay, next we have to draw two tangents. So take a point A on the circumference of the circle. So you can take anywhere one point and mark it as A. I am taking a point here and marking it as A. That is the second step. Take a point A on the circumference means in the surface of the circle. Okay, A on the circumference of the circle, then join OA. So I am joining the line O and A. So this A you can take at anywhere on this circle. Next you should join this center of the circle to that point. Okay, so next step, draw perpendicular to OA. What is the meaning? Draw perpendicular to OA. That means you should take here 90 degree, then you should draw that 90 degree here. How can we draw the 90 degree from that means you should make here 90 degree. Okay, how can we draw 90 degree here? So first of all, you should draw this is the one point and draw one arc. Draw one arc here, draw one arc here. You can take any line for this arc. Okay, I am extending this line little bit. So from here to here. So making here 90 degree, first we draw one arc. Okay, you can take any distance from point A, draw one arc just like this and extend this line by dotted lines. I extended this and same length, do not change this length. Taking this point, draw one arc here and it should cut the first arc, and from here also draw one arc, it should cut the second one. Next same distance from the first arc, draw one arc here and from here draw one arc here. So this meeting point should be the 90 degree. Next join from A to this line, make one line here. Okay, so draw a perpendicular to OA at point A. So this line OA is perpendicular to the next line. Okay, next draw a radius OB making an angle of 120 degree. That means here it is making, we have to make here 60 degree, correct? We don't know what is this. Here also 90 degree and we will get another point here. I don't know where is this point, and here also it is making 90 degree. Then it should come here, it is a quadrilateral. Sum of all these four angles should be equal to what? 360. So we can find out this angle 360 minus 90 plus 90. What is that? 180 minus again this 60 degree. So we will get here 360 minus 180, 180 degree minus 60 degree, we will get it is equal to 120 degree. That means here it is making 120 degree. So we have to draw 120 degree. So I am drawing 120 degree by using protractor. Taking this line, we should draw the 120 degree from here. So taking this line, and from this outside 0 I am marking 120 here. This is 120 degree. Okay, next I am joining this O to this, marking it as B. Okay, next we have to draw a radius of OB, making angle of 120 with OA. Next joining these two. Next draw a perpendicular to OB at point B. So just like this we have to draw perpendicular. You should draw the 90 degree just like this. I am taking from here. Okay, so by using protractor, making B as center, from this 0 this is the 90 degree. Extending these two lines, and these two lines should be meeting here. So we have to extend this line little more, and if you are checking the angle, here it is making 60 degree, and these two are the required tangents. OB and OA are the required tangents. Radius is equal to 5 centimeter. Here it is making 120 degree, here it is making 90 degree, here also making 90, and here it is making 60 degree. That is the required angle. Okay, justification I will share you. You should use the angle sum property. This one you should use here, angle sum property of quadrilateral. So you will get the angle A. I am marking this point as P. So A, P, B, you will get it from here, which is equal to 160 degree. Okay, so justification I will share you.